What up, peeps? Pick that bad boy out of trash. Truck box. I'm gonna clean it up real good. I'm gonna hit it with a little steel wool. Wash it up real good. Hit a little steel wool. Then I'm gonna take some sandpaper and hit it real good. And I'm gonna take bed liner and spray paint it. So stay tuned. Here we go. This hot water is all I'm doing. This is gonna go on the blood wagon. I'm just taking real hot water, steel wool, and I'm hitting it quick and then wiping it dry. Trying to get that grease and grit and nasty shit off of it. And then tomorrow I'll take whatever grit I can, sandpaper, and hit it real good. So you can't spray paint this. This is aluminum. If you spray paint over this, it'll all start chipping off. So you got to treat it. You got to do it right. I might have to put some kind of primer on there. I read earlier, but we'll see. So I'll have to mess with them so they stay open. Or this thing has plenty of room. I can put my stand in here, my bag, my sticks, all my hunting gear, and it's got a lock. I might have to replace the lock only because I want to be able to lock it. Hopefully you can see the difference. There's the blood wagon right there. We'll go in the back of that. I put a primer on there called Etching primer. It's for like aluminum and special kind of metals to put on as a primer, because if you don't, you go to paint it or put something else on there that's regular, it's going to chip off most likely. So hopefully this will help. And bed liner, once you get that bed liner down, tough to get off. So let's see how she goes. She's all primed up. Here we go. That simple. One little stop. Looks good on one little side. It's got a little one coat of bed liner on it. Well, there it is. My new truck hunting box. I'm gonna keep all my shit in. Cool little project, man. Thanks for tuning in.